Hey everybody, Ryan with Von Scheller Family Experience here. We're sitting here with the Ford E-450 and our Jayco coach. We just got the Hellwig sway bar installed and the safetplus steering stabilizer. What a difference. I actually drove it this last weekend right after it was done. Drove it about a week and a half before I had it done. And I am so happy I got it done because here in Northern California, you've heard of the power shutoffs because of high winds. Well, we had high winds. It was insane the winds that we had on this 2-hour drive. At one point, the dust storm was so bad, I only had about 100-yard visibility. So, that being said, I highly recommend the sway bar and the safetplus steering stabilizer. Now, I did see a lot of people say that it took about an hour to do one or the other, but I didn't see anybody that had done both. I was gonna do it myself, ran out of time, wanted to get it done, so I had an RV shop do it. But these are the two kits that I got on Amazon. The links are in the description below. You can find them and order them up yourself. I did notice that it is a little stiffer when you're steering. It's definitely stiffer. You can feel it wanting to center the steering wheel. The blow-by on the vehicles, that was so much better when you got the big rigs going by or big trucks going by. You get that blow-by. So I think the combination of the safetplus and the sway bar is perfect because the body roll, I noticed that is much stiffer, much more controlled, just going around turns. You don't get that body roll and then, kind of swinging back and forth. And when you get the trucks blowing by, you don't get that. And then you have a steering stabilizer in there that's just making your steering nice and stiff, nice and secure, keeping you going straight down the road. So I highly recommend it. That's my review on the safetplus steering stabilizer and Hellwig sway bar. In the description below. Get it ordered, get it done so you're safer driving down the road. And we'll see you next time. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks guys.